What's up guys, it's Trevor with Embers. Today we are debuting the brand new Blaze LTE Premium Plus. No, I don't know, I don't remember. I don't know if it's Premium or Plus Premium, or maybe just Plus, I don't know. Anyways, it's a brand new updated LTE grill, which just so happens to be our best-selling, one of our best-selling, I say that in a lot of videos. This is probably one of our 2 or 3 top-selling SKUs. So the fact that we have a brand new model is pretty cool. I'm gonna show you some features and benefits. And also, most importantly, at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you why right now, more than ever, while you're watching this video, hopefully around when it's published, is the best time all year to buy a Blaze grill. Let's go. All right, don't forget, if you're in the Denver, Colorado area, you can come to our showroom today, check out all of our gas grills. I kind of feel like we, especially in the Colorado market, are the experts in the gas grill category. Not to toot our own horn, but just my opinion, I'm biased, of course. Also, if you like what you're learning in these videos, whether you're local or not, give us first stab at the business. If you like the way we're educating you, I can't tell you how many times people will watch our videos, they'll learn what to buy and then buy it somewhere else. Not cool. No, just kidding. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. But we appreciate if you can call us, email us, order on the website, give us first stab at the business, helps us out a lot. All right, let's get to business here. So the Blaze LTE has been one of our best sellers. Blaze, the last 5 or 6 years, has had a ton of momentum. It's become one of the best-selling barbecue brands of all time for us. The reason, I think, is, one, it's a good product, but two, they are owned by Barbecue Guys. So Barbecue Guys is the largest, of course, online retailer by far in America. And so owning this company, they're gonna push Blaze a lot. So it has a lot of marketing behind it, so a lot of momentum. Not taking anything away from the grill, but that's part of the reason you sort of see it everywhere, is Barbecue Guys is really pushing this product. And we've had great luck with it, good success with it. It's a good product. However, we are gonna start doing some versus videos. We got a lot of new product out, like the new True Flame grill. We got a new top 5 video, so we're gonna start seeing a lot of side-by-sides. All right, unfortunately, good news, bad news? What do you guys want first? What should we do first, Chris? Good news or bad news?
Give me with the bad news.
Bad news. The bad news is that there's not a whole lot different on this grill. You ready for the good news?
Yeah.
The good news is they have improved already a really good grill. And I'm gonna get to why it's the best time to buy it. That's also the good news. All right, so I think what they've seen is some competitors sort of coming to market with a little bit better features. And so they've made this a little more feature rich. Really 2 main features that we're gonna talk about. Cosmetically on the outside, you can probably tell absolutely nothing different about this grill, which again is not a bad thing because it works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Same, oh my goodness, same cooking grates, you know, those triangular cooking grates that we love from Blaze. And one of my favorite things is that they don't use ceramic briquettes. They just use their flame tamers, which again, work really well. They have their crossover burners, their cast stainless burners. Again, not stuff we're gonna spend a lot of time on, because if you watch any of my videos, it's the same tried and true firebox that we've come to know and love. All right, 2 main changes, 2 big changes. The biggest change, and you can see it right here, is hidden spring assisted hood. So this spring assisted hood is legit. It definitely has some nice spring to it, I guess you could say. Anyways, anytime you can add a spring assist, again, anytime you can make a really good product better, not a bad thing. So we have spring assisted hood, but is it better than the new tension based hood I just reviewed on the True Flame? Only one way to find out. We're gonna have to do a versus video, right, Chris?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that's really the main functionality upgrade. The other thing is we went to fully backlit knobs, okay? So the old one did have like little red LEDs on the outside of the knobs that would shine down. Now we have fully backlit knobs. They're white, and then when our burners are on, that they are red. Okay, again, not a huge deal. So if 2 small changes, Nothing like to be overly excited about, but the fact that they're packing more value into this grill is a big thing. All right, now should we get to, let's go over to the Blaze Pro real quick, and I'm gonna tell you why right now you need to jump on buying a Blaze grill more than ever. And that sounds really salesy, which I hate, but it's true, and I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, so this is the Blaze Pro, which is the upgraded model. But you've noticed the Blaze Pro, which is the upgraded model, does not have spring assisted hood. Now this is where I'm getting to my theory with Blaze. So right now, they're running a promo, I think on the Blaze 44, the big one, you save over $800 and you get a free fridge and all the LTEs are on sale. Not the one I just reviewed, but the one without the spring assisted hood. They're all on sale. Probably the most aggressive sale price I've ever seen. Why? No one's told me this. I don't know if this is true. This is me just as a retailer kind of connecting the dots and putting a few things together. Number one, the upgraded model has a worse hood system than the new LTE. What do you think that means? What's imminent, Chris?
An upgrade.
An upgrade. I would say the Blaze Pro upgrade is imminent. We'll be seeing that very, very soon. I also think that's why the old model, well, it's not even old, it's technically current, why the existing model is on such aggressive sale. In the LTEs, I think the Plus will sort of replace those eventually. And I think the new Pro will come out and then these will kind of go away. But remember how I said that these are owned by barbecue guys? Let's go back over to here. Let's say my company sells, I don't know, 50 LTEs a year. I don't know if that's accurate, but it's probably somewhere in that ballpark. How many do you think barbecue guys is selling? Maybe 10x? Probably way more than that. And then they also supply other dealers across the nation. So if they're supplying themselves, what do you think they have boatloads of? Inventory. They're sitting on piles of inventory. No one's told me this. I am just absolutely guessing on this, taking a shot in the dark. I know for a fact they're not gonna leave that Blaze Pro alone. I know a new model has to be coming. Why are they on such good sales? For two reasons. One, a new model's coming, and three, they gotta get rid of existing inventory because they supply themselves, barbecue guys, which means they always have barns full of them. So that is why I'm saying right now is the best time to buy a Blaze grill, because I don't think you'll see as aggressive pricing the rest of the year. I think they're trying to empty out the barns to make room for the new LTE Plus and the imminent Blaze Pro Plus, or whatever they're gonna call it. No one has told me this. I cannot reiterate that enough. I have no idea if this is true. But I just know they're curiously putting very aggressive pricing together on the Blaze products. So if you can live with not having the current model and you want to save $800-900 on a gas grill, like I said, there's not a whole lot different with it. Spring assisted hood is nice. The upgraded LED lighting is nice, but $500-600 nice? Probably not. So take advantage, go on our website right now, get yourself a Blaze grill before they're gone, before the sale price ends. This sounds like the most pitchy video I've ever done, but it's just like a perfect storm of what's happening. It's like, we got to tell people about this before this sale is over. And the best way I know how to advertise is to make a YouTube video. So that's why we made this video. Take advantage of it. If you can live without the brand new model, save yourself some money, get one right now. Otherwise, we'll be doing some side-by-sides to see if the Blaze LTE Plus is the way to go this year. Stay tuned for more. We'll see you guys next time.